within 5 years, we wish to change the quality of students entering engineering colleges. How many of you guys did electronics in school? You did? What did you do there?
We had an electronics club in school.
Which school?
DAV Vikas.
DAV Vikaspuri, okay.
We used to do this basic stuff.
Like
small projects like
LED blinker.
LED blinkers and stuff like that.
And probably a buzzer or some stuff like that. Okay. So one of the things I'm trying to do is change that level. And out of all these people, there's just one person who's done it also. So that's one of the things that Gadgetronics is doing. We're trying to change that level. We're trying to like make it better, basically. This used to be done in the 80s, man. I did it for 1 year in school and I also left it. It was so boring. So everyone needs to understand that this is more creative and a lot more fun than, okay, whatever, who's heard at least one word from me in the next 10 years. Now, I'd like to stop here and talk to you about this thing called the ripple effect. Now, I'm sure you all understand that what I'm trying to do is essentially a purely marketing-based venture. I'm just marketing electronics to everyone. Be it schools, be it colleges, be it corporates. I'm purely and purely marketing electronics. You remember that discrepancy in the various fields? I'm trying to change that picture for electronics for starters. Being an electronics engineer, I'm trying to change those field 1, 2, 3, 4 things. I'm trying to get electronics to a higher level. The only way to do that is marketing. How does marketing work? The ripple effect. I'm talking to whatever number of people here today. Being people from the same field, I expect that when you go back, you will talk to 5 more people, 10 more people about this. Which means that I'm not just addressing this audience. It's going to be a bigger audience. I'm making a video, put it up online, put it up on the right forums. So what I'm essentially doing here right now is creating ripples. And these ripples are going to travel. Right? What happened with the IPL? Huh? No. What happened with the IPL? Big marketing. Huge. Everyone's talking about it. You sit, go have coffee with your friend, you're talking about it. That's what marketing is all about. The more is the number of people who talk about this, about your field. Leave aside electronics. If you're in electronics, they talk about electronics. And I'm not talking about inside the campus in the hostel. That is already happening. And that should increase. But I'm talking about outside. How much do you talk about what you do to your school friends? How much do you talk about what you do to your, say, people from different fields? So that, guys, is what is required to. I had written a line which said that we have to re-establish the balance in various fields. So this is how it will happen. You guys know what electronics is. You guys know what it can do. You guys know the scope. You need to talk to more people. Let's just change the slide. If we understand the concept of the growth of the field, then we share a common goal, you and I. Which is that, see, you can excel in your own field, but there has to be an undercurrent at the background of every person's head. Should be a very clear-cut concept that they have to promote their field also. I have seen a lot of engineers making faces that, I know I'm not meant for this and blah, blah, blah. Fine, you're not, man. Keep your mouth shut. Don't degrade it. You realize you're not meant for it. Well, it's not the field's fault, no, it's your fucking fault. So, you need to understand that not just there has to be an undercurrent. You know, everyone in the field should be trying to promote the field at least. A, a you know a 0.5% contribution from all of you would practically make what I'm doing 5 times. So that is important, and it's not for my benefit. It's for our benefit. We have to understand that a field has to be promoted other than excelling in that field. So that's something that's very important. For starters, what I'd like you to do is, how many of you are on Facebook? A lot, I guess. Yeah. So in the search box in the corner, just search for Gadgetronics with an X. Okay, and join the group. Talk to your friends, tell them about it. There's some very interesting stuff on the group. I've put up videos of some very nice gadgets. I'll even put up this talk videos on that. And we have people ranging in age from kids in class 6 to people who are 60, who are just interested, genuinely interested in this stuff. So join this group, talk to your friends, force them to join it. Make them understand that it's important for the country. No, if not for them, if they don't understand them, tell them it's important for the country. But it needs to be done. You'll be able to keep track of what all we're doing. There's some very spectacular stuff happening. I've tied up with quite a few institutions, and everyone understands this, you know. But again, when it comes to doing something about it, it becomes tough. Like, I really appreciate what Siddhi has done, you know. I met him the other day. I was meeting Gadre sir. So Gadre sir was like, yeah, IEEE mein isse baat karo. So I told him. So he said, yes sir, we'll do it, of course, we'll, you know. I don't care what his motive behind it is. But the fact is that he's contributing to a bigger picture. That is important. We don't realize that when we are in college. I didn't, and I really regret it. I was telling Gadre sir, he was asking me, did you know this person? Did you know that person? I was like, no, I didn't know what networking was in college, so I did not know a lot of people. I was very focused, and I was doing a lot of stuff, so I didn't really have the time. So all of you should go and join this Facebook group. Get your friends to join it. Let's get this thing moving. I made this group recently. Soon we'll have the site. Again, interesting stuff on the site for all of you guys. How many are electronics here, by the way? Quite a few. So yeah, all of those LM555 experiments that you do, you can do them online, simulated and stuff. That would be pretty nice. And come up with some interesting things. You know, that's something you can do. Using the same, say the timer or say gates or whatever. Do something interesting and, you know, just mail it across, and I'll make a slide presentation and stuff out of it, and we can put it online. Next, please. Yeah, another thing you can do is that you can talk to your schools. Whichever school you've come out of, they can have a talk like this. We need to educate people about electronics. So this, I'm not showing you guys any of the gadgets and stuff, but usually I carry some stuff with me, you know, just to make people understand what electronics is all about. So